with another Minecraft video today, and we're gonna be doing build battle, and the theme is a doghouse. Well, okay, I'll try to make a doghouse. Never really made a doghouse before, so let's get rid of the ground. Let's just get this then. Now this is gonna be tough. Well, we have done that. Maybe like put this here. And then maybe put this type of wood, maybe? Theme is a doghouse. And I never really built a doghouse before. So I'm kinda not gonna be informant remaining. That is bad. Okay, so we need to like make a roof, I'm guessing. Like that. This is gonna be so terrible. I can already tell. We're gonna need some torches or else it's gonna be really dark. You know, let's do redstone torches for a change. And okay, that looks absolutely terrible. You know what? And for design and some carpet, yeah. And some carpet would be nice. Actually, instead of the pressure plates, yeah. And block it off here. Then I have no idea where it is, so I'm just gonna craft it. I know, weirdest thing in Minecraft. Build battle history. I crafted it because I didn't know where it was. And then same with the other side. Oh, screwed up. Okay. Does that look nice? Well, first we need to put a dog inside. Dog. No. Dog. Spawn. Oh man. Spawn. Is that a dog? Dog. There are no dogs. I'm not gonna just look. I'm just gonna be looking like the whole. What? Where did the dogs go? I mean wolf. Oh yeah, that's why. That's why. That explains it. And we need some bones, so let's type in bones. Yeah, there. And then we give some mob options. H. I don't get it. I can't freaking. Okay, then just. What the hell is that? Despawn. Okay, there. And just put one over here. Oh, it's floating dogs. That's quite nice. So second, okay. Oh, what is it called? No, not painting. Oh, damn it. What is it? Don't abandon me. No, not in here. Not in here either. Where's it? Oh no. Oh, there it is. There it is. If I can just put this. Oh, voting. builder. Okay, now he made a giant one. And it's not even a house, so I'm not gonna vote for this dude. Okay, it's really dark in here, and no dogs would like to live in there. This dude. Oh, he actually built a dog. That looks like a cat more. But in that time, oh, this dog house would have been a good one if he had finished. And OMG. That big headed dog fits in that whole thing. Or he doesn't, because if he doesn't, he's gonna be really cool like the rest of his life. And what type of freaking doghouse is this? A luxurious one? Oh, cobblestone. I didn't think of that. Oh well. Oh my god. How do they build such nice things like in that time? What the heck is this? Nah, that's bad. Okay, that's mine. Am I gonna get some? Oh, please, I wanna win. Oh, there's more people too. Oh, I was on the roof. Oh, not even close to finish. Nah, what is that? What? Why are there heads? This, seriously, this one's one of the worst. Oh, wow. Oh, I guess we'll be ending the video and see you all later. Bye.